Our guppy fry have been growing, so now we're moving up to liquid fry number 3, which is more like a powder. Slightly bigger particles, so they'll find it easier to eat. That's why it's looking a little bit murky, because I've just added some. And as you can see, even the adults are still liking it as well. Our lovely favourite clean-up crew is the Amano shrimps. Plenty for these guys to eat. And we've added an air stone, get a bit more oxygen, and just to help the filter, another piece of equipment. Apart from that, guppy fry tank's looking quite good.